guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the new summer seasonal BREO box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the summer 2026 BREO box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your seasonal box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in the new summer box. It is literally, it has been summer here in Florida. It's over 100 degrees. Even this morning when I woke up at 6 to go take care of my chickens, like it hit me like a sauna opening the door. It was already 90 something degrees. It's disgusting outside. So humid, just miserable. You walk outside and just sweat, like not even doing anything, just standing still. So it's, So yes, we are here in the summer. Let's see what kind of summer products we are going to have. Last season, the spring box was like hands down my favorite box. That became my favorite box. I love the juicer. I love the products inside. The biggest box we have ever received. Now we're back to a little smaller petite box. You can always save the boxes. They stack well in the garage. You can save them or recycle them, but they always come in a size BREO box based on the products inside and how big they need to make the box. So going inside, oh, and this is in another box. This is inside of it. So this is what you see when you open up the box. It says you deserve this. It always has a duster bag, which these are different sizes as well. And I always save them. You never know when you need to toss stuff in them. You can store laundry in them. Literally, you can do anything with these duster bags. So I always save them as well. So down inside, we will have a card, right here, which will go over the summer box. You scan the QR code and it'll give you more information. But if you don't want to do that, it'll at least tell you the retail value on this side of the card. So let me go ahead and scan the QR so we can get the information. So we are on the summer edition. So I'm just going to start pulling things out and then I'll go and find them on the app and we can see more information about the product. So the first thing right on top, this is the Zilwig. I do have, I think it's a knife set or a pan from that brand. I do have that. So I know that's a good brand. And this is a vacuum pump, fresh up 5 times longer. So let me see what this one says. Stop throwing away food that went bad before you got to it. This fresh and save vacuum pump kit removes air from specially designed vacuum bags at the push of a button. Keep the grocery leftovers and meal prep fresh up to 5 times longer than standard storage. The rechargeable pump is compact enough for a drawer, quiet enough for a kitchen, and works in seconds. Okay, so it looks like there's, some bags. Yes, it says welcome. I see the words welcome and the brand. So this must be the bags for it. It says the pump charges via USB and the bags are reusable with easy zip closures. Reusable? Less waste, more value over time. Reusable? I personally wouldn't reuse. I mean, unless I had like nuts or something bland or like dehydrated fruit, something like that. But anything with like a sauce or spices or anything, I would think would like retain inside the plastic. So me personally, I don't know about the idea of reusing the plastic bags. I probably won't do that. I'll probably just have to buy more bags, but it does come with 3. So you have this size right here, you have this one, and then this big, large, and in charge guy over here. So 3 different, completely different sizes from a small to a large. So that's great. So then it looks like maybe you stick the device on this little hole here. Let's see what the device looks like. And let me give you the pricing so we know how much this is valued at. $89. So $89, I'm assuming, for the pump and the 3 bags. Would you guys reuse bags? I don't know about that idea. So here is the USB to charge it. I'm all for buying more and then using them, but that's probably what I'm gonna do. And it looks like here is the device. You charge it right there. That must be the on and off button. And that must be where you just attach this. Oh yeah, it just pops right on there. And then you probably press and hold. Oh, wait, it just vibrated in my hand. I felt some vibration. Feel the vibration. Yeah, so there's like some green lights that are going around that, and then this must be vacuuming to suck up the air, which I'm not gonna do that right now because we need to put some stuff in them first. But there is a whole little thing to get you going with vacuum sealing to keep your food nice and fresh. That's awesome though, because I do have a whole lot of stuff like that is growing in my garden that I get too much of at times. So I end up like dicing them up, putting them in bags and sealing them, because I do have an actual vacuum sealer because I seal Vienna's dog food and treats every time. So I already have that kind of a sealer. So now I have a different one. So now I have two different types of vacuum sealing devices. That's awesome. All right, you guys, so let's keep on going. Next up, ooh, these are nice and heavy. We have salt and pepper mill set. Are these electric? Are they electric? Let's see. They look like they are. I used to have a set that looked like this, and me personally, I got tired of the stainless steel, because like any little splash or anything, it would just like stay on there. And I'm not a fan of stainless steel. I don't like the fingerprints, the white marks. I can't stand that. So I ended up buying a mint green set that I currently have next to my stove. I love using a electric salt and pepper grinder. So that's a great thing. It's just I already have one. So I'm gonna use this as a gift for somebody else that doesn't have one yet, because again, it's a great concept. I love using mine. And this is the electric salt and pepper mill set, valued for $65. And this does feel like some really good quality though, you guys. Season with one hand right where you need it. And I have mine like literally right by my stove. I have that set, and then I have the one that has like the loose, like you can just grab a spoonful out. So depending on if I want a grind or I need a whole like spoonful, but I have both of them right there by my stove. This is what they look like. So you would have the one push button here, and then I'm sure you just twist to unlock, lock, unlock. Okay, so you stick the salt or pepper down inside of here. You have that right there that you can turn to make the coarse finer or thicker as far as like what it grinds. And then let's see where you have your batteries. Here you go. Oh shoot, you have 3, 6. You need 12 batteries total for both sets. Whew, I better remember that. So whoever I gift this to, I will get a pack of 12 batteries to give with them as well. What in the world? That's a lot of batteries for them. I think mine only take 2 or 3, but here is one of them. They look exactly the same. And you have the whole set, again, valued for, was it $65? Yes, retail value, $65. And since I'm actually going to gift this to my mother, I thought I would go ahead and just show you how it is. I filled it with pink Himalaya salt and put the batteries in. So just right out of the box without even turning the dial, this is how it will grind for the salt anyway. I'll show you the pepper in a moment. But this is how small it is. I think she would actually want it a little bit smaller. So let's go ahead and turn that dial so we can get it a little bit more coarse. But just to show you a difference, see, this is how it is currently. Let's go ahead and turn that dial. The more you turn it, the smaller it is going to get. So now it's a little bit smaller, but you know, I think she might want it a little bit smaller. She can always adjust it on her own, but I will go ahead and do this. And yes, that's a lot smaller. So I think that's actually perfect. Again, she can change it. And that's the beauty in this. You can change it anytime. Right here is the lock and unlock. So you can fill it up, replace the batteries. It's super simple to take it apart. I don't know why I had such trouble in the video, but it does come off super easy. And the pepper, I put the black peppercorn in here, and straight out of the box without turning it, this is how it looks. You do have those bigger pieces, so I am going to make it a little bit finer. And now switching the dial just a little bit, it's a big difference already. So I'll leave it like that. And if she wants to go smaller, she can always just do it another turn or two. All right, so now we have from OXO, it says Good Grips Strawberry Huller. Quickly and efficiently remove strawberry hulls. Is that the stems? I always just twist mine and pull them off, or I use it as a handle to eat it and then throw that part away. I didn't know there was something fancy to like get that bad boy out. I don't know if I would actually use this because again, I just twist mine off, but here is a strawberry puller if you wanted to actually like dig in there and get it all out using this apparatus. Let's see what this one says and what the price is for it. Here we go. So it's valued for $12. It says it removes holes cleanly with tapered stainless steel blades, no wasted fruit, no awkward knife work, no mangled berries. The soft non-slip handle and hinge design absorbs pressure so your hands stay comfortable whether you're preparing a handful of berries or a flat for the weekend. And okay. Oh, it says accommodates strawberries or tomatoes of all shapes and sizes. The tomatoes is the same thing, and it's even easier for me just to pull that off. I have to take those off to feed the tomatoes to my chickens. They can have the actual tomato, but they can't have the greenery on top, so I'm always removing those. But again, I just twist them and toss them off. But if you want to be fancy, you can use this and get it out. So there is that item, again, valued for $12. All right, so up next we have, it looks like an active air conduction earbuds. So an earbud set. I only use my AirPods with my iPhone, so I will use this as a gift idea for somebody else. And that's a great thing about this box though. It's normally like a household box. It's something in there for everybody. My household is only of 2. If there was more, I'm sure we would utilize a lot more. But for us of 2, he already has like a good Samsung set and I have mine. So neither one of us would be able to use these. So I will go ahead and gift them to another, but let's go ahead and see how much they are. It says they are $60. Listen to music, podcasts, and calls without blocking out the world around you. The open earbuds use an open ear design that delivers quality audio while keeping your ears free. So you stay aware of traffic, conversations, and everything else that matters. They're lightweight, water resistant, and comfortable enough to wear all day without the fatigue that comes with traditional earbuds jammed into your ear canal. So it looks like they go on the outside of your ear and they do not go inside of your ear. So that's cool. It's a different like laying in your ear design. So that's awesome. But again, I will use this as a gift for somebody because I always use my AirPods because they're connected to my phone. All right, so it looks like we have one more. Yes, one item left. It says iCube by Caddy. And let's see. Oh, it's a box in the box. It is a, oh, it looks like maybe like a koozie, an insulated drink koozie. Let's see. So this is an instant beverage chiller. And again, since it is literally over 100 degrees, this will come in handy, especially with our water or our beer. I don't use any other type of cans. We don't have any other cans in the house. We don't drink soda or anything. My only can that I drink is these like energy drinks, and it's a little too small for it. But a water bottle or a beer bottle probably would fit in there perfectly. And it looks like you have a little sleeve. Oh, and then this is the design. So let's see what it says. Does it have like the little stuff in here, like a lunch pack frozen thing maybe? That's what it seems like it would have. So it says your drink stays cold to the last sip. It uses a gel infused core, okay, to chill the canal beverage. From the moment you slide it in, no ice, no condensation ring on the table. Freeze it ahead of time, wrap it around your can, and then put the sleeve to keep your drink cold for hours. My man could even take this with him when he goes to like stickball or golfing. So you just stick these pieces in the freezer, put your can in there, push these little silicone things down, and then slide it back in the sleeve. The sleeve will probably help keep all the condensation and stuff off as well. So that's cool. So here is that. That is really neat. That is $30, and I bet you my man is going to love using that, especially when he's out in the field. So that's awesome. So now that is everything that came down in the new summer BREO box. So a quick recap, you have your drink koozie, which again, that's gonna come in handy right now. You have some earbuds, you have a strawberry puller, you have a vacuum sealer with the 3 bags, and you have a set of salt and pepper grinders. Okay, you guys, so what do you think of all of the items that is in this new summer box? What would be your favorite? It did give me a total. So it says that the total box value is $256 with the retail value of everything that is included. If you like some pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is, I believe, SHE15. Let me see. Yes, SHE15 will get you $15 off your first box if you are interested. So they have 2 options. You can do season per season. Both of them you can cancel at any time. But if you want to just go season per season, it's $169 with free US shipping. If you want to save money and do the annual membership and lock in all 4 boxes for the year, it brings your box price down to $149.75. And again, you can cancel at any time, but you can still use my code SHE15 to save $15 off of your very first box if you are interested. I will have them all listed down below in the description box. You can pop on over and check them out. If you want to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.